This video is sponsored by Value Testers. For a complete line of specialty work-related tools, bigger selection, and best pricing, when you need to upgrade your tools, think Value Testers. Create a free login for best pricing. Link in description below.
Alright guys, I'm going to change out this water heater. I did shut the water off. I pulled the vacuum breaker out. And I ran out and got another tank. I drained it while I went to go get the other tank. That's usually what I do. I got the gas off right there. So I'm going to swap it out. Going back with another 40 gallon right back in there.
Do you need an extension or anything?
No, I got everything I need here.
Okay, the lights and stuff?
Yeah, I got lights.
Okay, okay, cool. So, is anything in your way?
No.
You're okay.
I got it.
You can move this table.
No, that's fine. I mean, no sense in moving it if I don't need to, right?
Yeah, but all it is like push. I mean, it's not that heavy. If it makes your work easier. Okay.
There you go.
I'll go in real quick.
Yeah, I got plenty of room.
It's coming away from you, right?
Plenty of room.
No, it's on wheels, so. So how was the woman?
Huh?
How was the woman, okay?
What woman?
There was a woman that was panicky?
Oh yeah, this morning.
Okay.
Yeah, she couldn't shut her outside faucet off, so
Oh.
she had to shut the whole house off, and she had no water.
Oh, shit.
So I had to go call last night in a panic. I says I'll go by there first thing in the morning and fix it. So.
Yeah. No. Okay. I'll be right upstairs, okay?
All right. Yeah. The little tank. Kind of different. I'm gonna do this a little different. Like a cut here. I'll probably put another shut off here. The other shut off's a little ways away, so. Don't look like it's shutting off so well, though. We'll fix that. She's a leaker, mama. She's a leaker. Yeah, she's a leaker. So it's 18. That's 41 years old. Wow. Imperial. Wow. That thing lasted a long time, man. Whew. Put the female on there. The 1/4 by half female. Alright, so I put Teflon and pipe dope on the threads. I'm going to do the cold first. Put a tank T. I could put a vacuum breaker on the top. This one here, we'll put a shut off here. There is another shut off, but it's way up top. So I'm just going to put another ball valve right here. Downward piece to an elbow. Alright, I'm try to solder that up right now. You gotta wipe it off. You gotta get the flux off. That's why you end up wiping the joint, because if not, it'll turn green. You gotta get that flux off of there. That's why you wipe the joints. Put Teflon and pipe dope on it. Vacuum breaker. This is a vacuum breaker. There's ever a fire in the street and they're pulling a lot of water through the fire hydrant, they could collapse these tanks. That's what that's for. It's to protect the tank from a back siphonage. Basically, that's what it's used for. My state, it's code. So. Hello! 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 Yeah. Your daughter around? I gotta shut all the faucets off up there. Alright. If you want, you can just open up the tub on hot and it'll push all the air out.
Okay.
And once you start getting water up there, you can shut it off.
Okay.
The other one's gonna be a little bit longer. There it goes. There goes the water. The water just went up, so you can run it till it runs clear and then shut it off, ma'am.
Just in the bathroom?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just run it till it runs clear and then shut it off. Yeah, it needs to be a little bit longer. Get another nipple out of the truck.
Kitchen as well?
Just go around and check, make sure that, you know, it's not.
Bathroom's fine, I'll check.
Was it rusty when it come out? Yeah, I'm gonna need a 7-inch nipple. I got them in the truck. 7-inch. I got them in the truck. Alright, I got the 7-inch nipple out of the truck. I carry from 7 to 12 on 1/2 inch in the truck also. And you know, close to 6, and then I go from 7 to 12 every inch. Turn this to pilot, all the way down to pilot, and push it on there. give it a second. Hold it in with my screwdriver to get a little gas in there. See the green light? Watch it. Watch the green light blinking. See it? So it's good to go. We're just going from pilot to on, and it should fire right up. I don't have any leaks. No leaks on the gas. No leaks on the water. Put a new valve there and put the smoke pipe in. That's usually where I set them, right there, and it's fine.